Nalani. Nalani. Nalani, come here once, babe. Come look at the snow. Our candy cane.
It snowed.
Yeah, it snowed.
Lots. Can I make a snow angel?
You gonna do it right there?
You mean that?
Well, let me see. Oh, you did it good. That's a good angel.
Can I make a snowman?
It's not enough snow for a snowman yet, babe.
I will make a new one. But I will make a sand castle in the snow just like mine.